Hi, my name's Sue Grant from the Berthon Sales Group, and I just wanted to tell you about the new 2022 Berthon Market Report. This is an annual publication, and this year there are, as ever, some very interesting subjects, and I just wanted to touch on a few, and I hope that you'll dive into the publication and read it and enjoy those parts of that are of interest to you. The first of the articles that was particularly interesting are the VAT issues in the UK and of course Europe are continuing to evolve with a more pragmatic approach from HMRC for UK yachtsmen. Our Sherpa, Simon Anslow from PFK, is an acknowledged expert, and his article is compulsory reading to find out what's really going on. Another issue is yacht insurance. Difficult for many yachtsmen as it becomes harder to find insurance, particularly depending on location, flag and so on. Richard Power from Fastnet International has been in the business for many years, and he has some very useful insights. This is an article you really should read. Of course, 2021 broke all records for the Berthon Sales Group, with sales across the board, new, pre-owned, motor, sale and performance. The imperative to get out on the water and live life has been the driver for yachtsmen and for many new entrants to the sport also. Supply chain issues are a problem throughout life today. Yachting, I'm afraid, is not immune, and so getting delivery of new yachts or parts of your existing one does require a level of patience and good humour. We write on this subject. The main takeaway for me, having edited this publication, is that diving into that glorious pool of yachting continues to be enormous fun. And in the words of Ratty, in 2022, it remains the case that there is nothing half as much worth doing as messing around in boats.